Why the fuck my dog walks sideways, bruh? Lil dog. Zero grip, gang. Literally zero grip. Yeah, bro. Top speed time. Yeah, let's not do that. Whoa. Bro. This is not safe, bro. This kinda looks cool. Oh. I also got some grip because I'm not going full throttle. If I am... Oh my days. Yeah, bro, brakes. Bro, the lithium inside of the battery is freezing, I bet. Oh man, look at my pants. Why am I even doing this? Oh, gotta do anything for food. I'm hungry. The traffic lights aren't working. Oh man, what are we doing, bro? This is peak, bro. I love this. Oh, this is ice. I don't have any grip, bro. I feel like I'm floating. It's not even climbing, bro. Bro, this is actually kind of fun. This is peak. Oh yes, hill climbing. It's actually kind of good. It's alright. Oh man. Yeah, it's not that snowy on here because people work here all the time. Bro, we are the only ones insane enough to go riding our scooters on this weather. Yeah, probably Joy is also doing this. He's also insane. Yeah, someone crashed in here. If you think about it, this weather gives you the absolute best controller cooling. Bro, the battery heats by itself because you pull current from it. Yeah, I don't think that's how it works though. The big question is, will we have enough grip to brake downhill?
Why do I low-key feel like in the Russia, bro?
Bro, this feels like Russia for real. Oh yes, 6 or 7 screws. Yo, look at this. Bro, this is fun. Whoa. Yeah, this is not safe. Oh yes. Yeah, I'm gonna put screws in my tires so I have grip. Oh my days, this is so slippery. Bro doesn't have grip. I don't have grip either. Bro, I can't give it gas. I just do a burnout. Oh, that was ice. Who in their right mind does this? Oh, this is the ultimate waterproof test for the scooter. And it is waterproof. As you can see, it still works. Wow. It died? Oh, for fuck's sake, man. You want me to pull you? Yeah, I don't think I can pull anyone. Yeah, this is nice. But why did you come with this shit box? This is fun. Hold on, watch this. Oh my days, fam. Yeah, I'm just gonna use pressurized air to clean it. The last time I did this, it worked perfectly, bro. I'm telling you, if you go riding your scooter on snow, just use a compressor on it and it will be squeaky clean. Yeah, snow is just water with homeless people's peace. But I don't have enough grip to walk. Yeah, I bet my ESCs are freezing. Bro, the tires are sleeping. Let me put it like this so we can tie them together. Did it break? Let's hope nothing broke. Ah, I can't put it like that. I thought I can put it like that. Okay. It's W scooter parking, bro. Oh, let me take a picture. Oh, your battery is coming out, bro. The Xiaomi turned on. Does the G2 Master turn on? Okay, it works. So much snow. Oh, I'm freezing. Yeah, you should start fighting, bro. Start throwing hands, bro. Start throwing hands, bro. Oh, man. Bro, my brakes ain't working. I have snow in my brake caliper. Did it die? I have food in my backpack. It's keeping me warm. I can do burnouts now with the rear wheel while moving. Oh, yes. Wait, can you record it?
Put in burnout. Oh my days, bro.
How did it look? Oh my days. I'm sleeping on this ice. Oh, it's hardened. Whatever. Why does this crane have the Christmas lights? It's not cold at all. Yeah, we've been to worse. The G2 Master is still holding on. All this snow and it's fine. Cake. We should get some cake.